welcome today to the motocross for kids. Of course, the juniors won. I've got the third place winners. All right, so do you want to introduce yourself? And how old are you?
8.
And your name is?
Big.
How old are you?
5.
And your name is? And how old are you? All right. So how does it feel like to win today on the third place? Feels great? Fantastic? Happy? And how does it usually that you train and practice for a race like this? You just have fun going around, so you take it more as a fun? And of course today, all of your parents supported you. Are you happy about that?
Yeah.
And basically today, was it scary or anything like that? Yes? No? Yes? It was a little bit?
Because the first time we went to the practice, it was not that scary.
It's not that scary. And for you, why was it scary?
My dad was trying to fix my bike and I didn't really know if it would work.
And basically it did work at the end. See, your dad is a fantastic help man, right? He really knows how to assist you, right? And do you have anything to say to your parents for supporting you today?
I'm very happy because my dad's still taking me to somebody's house.
Oh, fantastic. So you're happy about going to somebody's house? All right. And how about you? How do you feel about your parents supporting you today? Very fantastic. Good. All right. So hopefully next time, also, you win again for the next round and get ready, all right? A lot of practice and have fun. Thank you. All right. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.